How to change the background color on your Instagram story. Looking for a way to personalize your Instagram stories? Try changing your Instagram story background color. It's possible to do it right on the Instagram app, and it will take only a minute of your time. Here's how to add the background color to your Instagram story to make it even more appealing. How to change the background color on an Instagram story. There are many ways you can customize your stories on Instagram. Add music, stickers, location, hashtags, GIFs, and more. Changing its background color is one of those enhancements that you can do directly on the Instagram app when you prepare the upload of a new story. You can change the background color by either using the default provided by Instagram, using the color gradient tool, or by selecting a color from an existing image. Let's open the Instagram app. Tap on the plus button. Here, select Story. If it is the first time you are using Stories, enable camera and microphone access. Tap on the AA icon. When changing the background color on your Instagram story, you can use default provided by Instagram. To do this, when creating a story, you just need to tap on the color icon at the bottom right corner of the story screen to switch between default background's color options. If you want to add a custom color, press and hold the color icon for a color wheel to appear. Move your finger to choose a suitable color. After this, you can just add an image, text, and whatever you want on your Instagram story. After you finished updating the story, just post it. This is how you change the background color on your Instagram story. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.